Well, we've got another unboxing. Hello everyone and welcome. If you're new to my channel, my name is Caleb, and on here you're gonna find a lot of things like, I don't know, luxury shopping, reveals, reviews, unboxings, luxury travel, daily vlogs, pretty much anything that has to do with life and style right here. So before we go any further, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, give this video a thumbs up, say hi down in the comments, turn on the bell icon, so that way you're notified when I post new content, which is when? Every Wednesday and Sunday morning, 10 a.m. Central Time. Find me on Instagram, caleb.snell.designer. Now that we got all that out of the way, let's have some fun. Roughly this time last year, I unboxed a beautiful bag, and if memory serves me right, I think maybe 200 people watched it, which is okay, no shade. It was a very, very rough video, but it was the Burberry Prorsum Country Animal Fox Head Clutch from the Autumn Winter Runway of 2012. And now you're like, oh, okay, Caleb, you're dressed like you're going hunting. Now it all makes sense. First of all, I don't hunt. Guns are creepy, in my opinion. I do own some cute country wear, if I do say so myself. This collection was perfection. Like, rewatching it, some of the looks haven't aged very well, but the bags from this collection just are luxury on a whole nother level that we haven't seen from Burberry since Christopher Bailey sadly left a few years ago. In 2012, like I said, this was my absolute favorite collection. I was in college, hashtag broke college boy. This kind of thing was way out of the question then. Fast forward to 2022, 10 years later, and now it is no longer out of the question, so I'm making up for lost time. This bag originally retailed for about $2,000 in 2012. I bought it a year ago. Couldn't tell you how much I paid. And if you've watched my tag that I created, the neglected bag tag video, link down below, you will know that I didn't carry the bag by the time I created that, and I still haven't carried this bag yet. I don't know what it is, you guys. It is the perfect autumn winter bag. Obviously, autumn winter runway, hello. I just haven't brought myself to use it yet. Not that I'm like scared to, it's just lambskin. I mean, I have tons of lambskin bags. I mean, Balenciaga, hello again, but I haven't carried it yet. But I'm going to work on that. This bag is going out. I'm going to have a fabulous outfit, or maybe I'll run to Target in some sweats and I'll just carry it to rip the Band-Aid off and carry it. Regardless, this collection is iconic, and if you haven't caught on yet, I have another one to unbox for you guys. While I was laid up post-surgery this past week, I did a lot of online shopping. This is one of the bags. In total, I haven't really done the math yet, but I think I have 5 bags to share with you guys, including this one. A wallet, a coin holder, a wristlet, and some other odds and ends. I'm going to do a huge thrift haul because the rest of the stuff is like more contemporary brands. Coach, Duty & Burke, you get the drift. So they're gonna get their own video just like we did a few weeks ago with my most recent thrift haul. This one is going to be epic. Absolutely huge, some really gorgeous, kind of limited edition pieces from Coach coming up. I can't wait for that to drop. I'm waiting on a few more of the pieces to come in. But this is Burberry. It's runway, and it's from Fashionphile, so yes, it's gonna get its own video. As we all know, for those of you that are new, I am not an actor. I did do some musical theater in high school, much to my parents' chagrin. Another story for another day. This has already been opened. This arrived today. I was sitting at my little desk in my office, typing away an email. The UPS guy comes in. I love when he comes in because that means I have something special, and it was this beauty. So I've already seen it, is what I'm getting to. I've already opened it, I've already taken it out, I've already looked at it, and I love it. But I didn't want to cheat you guys of that experience, so here we go. Whoa, wow. I'm just kidding. We've seen one Fashionphile unboxing. We've seen them all. In fact, I think I post 2 or 3 a month. Hello, if you're not new to my channel, you've seen at least 1 or 2, I'm thinking. You get the confetti, which, as we all know, we're all sick of. You get the card. You get... Zane's gonna love me for this audio and all the crinkly paper. Sorry, Zane. You get the Fashionphile nail file, which I've got 4 in my desk, 4 in the desk behind me, 4 in the drawer over there, 6 in the bathroom, and like 3 in my nightstand. I've got them everywhere. Maybe I should do a giveaway. Do you guys want a giveaway where I can send you a nail file? Zane's shaking his head no. That is absolutely disgusting. I promise most of them haven't been used, but I mean, maybe, would that be fun? Let me know down in the comments. I'm just kidding. We're not gonna do a giveaway with nail files. Like, come on. Let's get rid of the box. We've seen the box. We're done with her. Down to the recycling bin she goes. Goodbye box. You served us well. this is what we're here for. I just cannot say enough about this collection. It was my favorite then. You can still watch the runway show here on YouTube, so I will link it down below. You have, I think Marina and the Diamonds is playing in the background. Like, it is a phenomenal show, and it's kind of fun, even though it's 10 years old, to like see who's in the front row and like, ooh, okay. I'm rambling, as we all know I do. Here we go, Fashionphile dust bag. You know, a lot of the bags I've been buying recently haven't included their original dust bag. Like, what are you guys doing with your dust bags? I keep mine, obviously, but like, where do they go? Like, how do you lose a dust bag? Like, you use the bag and then you put it back in the dust bag. Like, did you throw the dust bag away? Did you put... Where do these old dust bags go? Let me know. Do you guys throw them away? Do some of you throw them away? I'm starting to think people do. I've rambled enough. Are you guys ready to get in here and see what this is? So as soon as this hit Fashionphile, boom, right in cart. I wasn't playing games. And it is from the same runway collection, but a different country animal. Can you guess which country animal it is? So you could pick from another fox, which we all know I like multiples, spoiler alert. It could be a hound, it could be an owl, or it could be a duck. Let me know in the comments. Hit pause, let me know in the comments, drop an emoji of what you think it is. Owl, duck, fox, dog. You got 4 choices. Are you ready? Come on, hit play. Let's go. I got the hound. So this is from the same collection, Autumn Winter 2012 runway, in the nubuck calfskin leather, which is divine. I mean, this takes texture to a whole other level. You have padded suede, you have the pebbled nubuck, you have the hound here on the front, and it's mine. Now Caleb Snell not only owns 1 bag from this collection, but 2. Subtle flex, a decade after the fact. So this bag originally retailed for $14.95 USD. It was Burberry Prorsum. It was another time. They made absolutely phenomenal bags made in Italy at the time as well. Beautiful, chunky hardware. In fact, the country animals on the front are made from the lost wax method. Watch my old video on this bag. It's incredibly cringy, very awkward, and I'm gonna say it, Zane, your editing wasn't on par yet with the channel. He's shaking his head in shame, as he should be. I'm just kidding, you guys. Very cringy video, but I really went into depth on this collection. We talked about the models, the celebrities that wore it. We looked at the old website. It's 20 minutes, so, you know, watch it on 1.5 speed. I do that sometimes just so that way I can keep up with everything. So maybe speed it up. It's a draggy video. Today we're having more fun, right? This bag, you guys, is so gorgeous. I mean, hello, fall vibes, you know, invite me to Downton Abbey. Let's do a shooting party. I mean, I'd probably just sit there and watch because I'm not a big hunter, but anyway, I'd love the gossip and the dinners. Okay, on topic. The clutch. The clutch, it is very simple. The interior, which I'll show you guys a close-up, is just a black hole with 1 slip pocket that would have fit a cell phone in 2012, not so much anymore. This bag was made in Italy, of course, Burberry Prorsum, absolutely stunning quality. I mean, like, Christopher Bailey, please come back to Burberry. I said what I said. I used to buy so many clothes from that era, leather goods. We had a really awesome outlet in Michigan City that we go up to a lot. There was once a $6,000 cocktail dress. After all the markdowns, it was down to like $120 in Michigan City, Indiana. I wonder if anyone ever bought that. Anyway, long story short, Burberry. Who knew? All right, let's take a close-up of this bag. I'm not going to show you what fits because maybe I'll do a review if you guys really want to see it. Let me show you up close because this bag is gorgeous. All right, so here are the country animal clutches up close. Here we have the gorgeous fox. I mean, I absolutely love this bag. And last but not least, the hound. I mean, I wish you guys could reach through the camera and touch this because this leather is something else. It's absolutely textural, it's luxe, it's beautiful, and I love the hound. The lost wax method is really unique. Basically kind of use like sand, they create a mold, pour it with wax, burn it out, and then dump metal in it. I mean, it's a lot more intricate than that. That's just kind of a synopsis, but check it out. It's a really cool process. The back of the bag just has the same padded suede strap that runs across the front underneath the hound, and then just the layers of leather, and it's so ornamental and beautiful. Now mine does have a little bit of tarnishing underneath the hound's tooth here, both at the top and bottom. It doesn't really bother me. You can't really clock it unless like you're up close. Like you guys can probably barely see it here. Well, you can see it a little bit there. Anyway, gorgeous clutch. Nonetheless, I paid next to nothing for it, so I'm super excited. These big chunky pulls that were big with this collection are actually from Burberry luggage from way back in the day. I'd like to find some archival photos. So if anyone has pictures of like what these were actually on originally, let me know because I'd love to see them. The gold zipper just moves real slow on this bag. I'm gonna have to wax up the teeth here. But the interior, like I said, it's very simple. You have the Burberry Prorsum grosgrain lining, Burberry Prorsum stamped there in the back. Up here you have made in Italy with the serial number underneath. And this is that little pocket I was telling you guys about. Like, I don't even know what phone in 2012 that would have fit. But the cool part, and you all know that I'm a huge nerd for this, is that it included its original care booklet. I mean, how cool is that? So in here you just have the, you know, the typical, like, literally don't do anything with your bag. It's, you know, meant to look different and have marks and stuff, yada yada. Kind of romance language that they use to excuse any mistakes, but you know what I'm saying. Super cute, love both bags, and I think both are a complete vibe for fall. Like I'm getting, you know, country weekend, wine tasting trip. I mean, that sounds like fun. Who wants to go on a wine tasting trip with me? Love both bags, super cute, total vibe. Can't wait to add more to my collection. All right, you guys. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. This was very rambly. As you can tell, I'm incredibly excited. Like when I think back on runway collections, for some reason, like this is my absolute favorite. This runway was a cross section of both town and country looks, and it was a really neat concept for the vibe, obviously picking up on English heritage, the whole town and country set. I just loved the country animal motifs. From this collection, I also want to get the large barrel bag and of course the Orchard bag. The Orchard bag is gorgeous. I've literally not seen one though hit Fashionphile Rebag Yugi's Closet in a very long time. Now you get like the later ones that are like more muted, watered down, like ugh, no one wants that. Like give me the one with like a big duck on the front. That's the Orchard bag I want, or like the striped ones, I think. Thank you guys. I am super excited. This was, did I tell you guys how much I spent yet? I didn't? Okay. $250 for a piece of runway history on Fashionphile. Hello. Obviously, I mean, buy it now, right then and there, like I wasn't playing around. Anyway, you guys, I'm so excited to not have one, but two of the bags from this monumentous runway collection. I'm only going to add more. You all know me. I love multiples. I like collecting. I have a problem with the word no. What's the definition? I don't know. So obviously I'm going to buy more from this collection as it comes available. I need to stop talking about it because this collection is phenomenal. Thank you so much for joining me today. Like I said, I've got the Q&A coming up for you soon, probably next Sunday. I think I'm going to film that this week. And then I also have, of course, the large thrift haul unboxing, a few fun things here and there. Maybe the Q&A won't come out next Sunday, maybe a couple weeks, because I really need to plan out my answers. A lot of you wrote in, which was amazing, so thank you for that. And yeah, thank you guys for joining me today. It was a whirlwind of emotions, but I mean, I have a beautiful new bag in my collection, and it's small enough and cute enough. I mean, I should probably still wait for late summer to carry it, but who cares? Wear what you want when you want. I don't care about seasons. All right, guys, I've rambled enough. I've bored you. Thank you so much for joining me today. Catch me again on Wednesday, 10 a.m. Central Time. Find me on Instagram, caleb.snell.designer. Hit subscribe, turn on the bell icon. I don't know what else to say. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Bye-bye.